Hi everyone!
Hi everyone.
I'm Hitomi.
I'm Akari.
Today we're making table rolls.
Japanese table rolls are crispy on the outside and very soft in the inside, so it goes well with many meals.
Let's make it.
Today I'm using this flour, which has a protein ratio of 13%.
To make a fluffy bread, use a flour with protein ratio of more than 11%.
I have 280 grams of bread flour here and adding 5 grams of salt. Mix them well and make a dent in the center. Next, mixing the liquid. Add beaten egg into milk. Then add sugar and yeast. I'm using 9 grams of raw yeast. If you are using instant dry yeast, make it 3 grams. Mix them well until the yeast dissolves. Once the yeast dissolves, add them into flour and mix it in the bowl with your hand. When the dough gets firm, put them out on the table and start kneading it. When kneading the dough, put your weight on your hand. Next, we're adding butter. Pat the dough and make it thin to wrap the batter. Butter should be softened by leaving in the room temperature for more than 1 hour. Put the butter on the dough and start wrapping. There's a lot of butter, so I should have extended the dough a little more. Once you finish wrapping the butter, knead it again. First, the butter may come out, but it's becoming consistent. The dough is pretty loose at this point, but if you keep kneading, it will be firmer. Now the dough is getting nice texture, like a Play-Doh. So we'll start slapping the dough against the table. Keep doing it for about 5 to 10 minutes, which is about 100 to 200 times. Now the dough is getting nice. It's smooth and silky. So make the dough into a rounded shape, and we will move on to the first fermentation. Put the dough into a bowl and cover it with a cling wrap. Now the dough has risen into a double size. Get the dough out of the table and cut into pieces. The dough is for 6 to 8 pieces. Today, I'm cutting them into 6 pieces. If you want to make smaller buns, make it to 8 pieces. Make each piece's rounded shape and rest them for 15 minutes with a wet towel on. Next, we're shaping the dough. First, pat the dough and make it round shape again. Next, roll the dough on the table. Shape the dough like a water drop. Now, I'm pressing harder on the left hand and a little lighter on the right hand. Then the left side will be thinner and the right side will be thicker. Next, pat the dough and make it thinner with a rolling pin. Next, roll the dough from front to back. Don't roll it too tight because it will make it hard for the dough to rise. Now it's done. Cover the dough with a wet towel and put them in a warm place. The dough has risen, so the secondary fermentation is finished. Now, I am applying beaten egg on the surface of the dough. This is optional, but if you apply the egg, the color after baking will be very nice golden brown color, but don't apply it too much. Move the brush like this. The bread is baked, so let's check the oven. It's become a nice color. I'm replacing them to the cooler. The outside is very crispy and have nice color. And you can see the lines here. Let's check the inside. It's very soft and moist. He's making it a hot dog. Do you like it?
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my